KU's been around since 1895. It specialises in early education. It looks after long day care, preschools, after school care. And we partner with the government for about a third of our turnover, whereby we offer inclusion support programs and disability programs and things like that. So it's a community-based organisation, not-for-profit. It's one of the oldest companies in Australia, and it has 2,200 employees. The systems here were very antiquated. They hadn't been upgraded for, in some cases, 25 years. And our whole financial platform was on Oracle on a local server in a room not too far from us here. It was a very expensive system to maintain. So we decided to go to software as a service through the cloud with Oracle Fusion. And that eliminated the risk for us because you have backup and things like that. And it also proved far more cost effective. We decided to migrate in the middle of 2017. The decision was made. We went to the board and got approval for it. It was all done internally with finance and some help with external providers, EvoSys in this particular case. And it went very well, I must say. And we achieved year end without any problems. We've been very happy. We had outages before and very inconvenient times, budgets, things like that, halfway through a year end in one particular case. We've had no problems whatsoever. The service has been extremely responsive. Backups aren't an issue. We can sleep at night now. At the time, after we'd hunted around for a provider to help us get through this process, EvoSys popped up. They'd done it 48 times before. We'd reference checked them. There were no issues. We were the 49th and it went very smoothly. So it was the experience that we wanted. And we liked the process, the way they did it. Some of it was onshore, some of it was offshore. And they also brought people in when they needed to work with us on the ground here. So they knew what they were talking about. They had financial background. I think one of the guys was a chartered accountant. So when you're doing a financial conversion, that makes life a lot easier. We decided to go with EvoSys for the ongoing support after the experience of the implementation. And we've only had to actually call on them a couple of times, and that was for the updates on the system, which are done in background anyway, and they're fairly continuous. Make sure you get a provider or a service partner that knows what they're doing, that's been through this before, they've got the experience, they know the pitfalls, and they can guide you through it. That's what we did. We used EvoSys and it went quite seamlessly.